Go.
Okay, good morning interns. My name is Felix. So first activity, I will show you how to manipulate your account, your portfolio here in our um, platform here on Freelance Upskill community. Okay, so the registration is already ended. So sorry for those latecomers. Okay, so how are you going to um, upgrade or what you call this beautify your account? Develop your account. Okay, so this one, so as you can see my account is offline. Okay, once you register, this is the um, this one, the blank page or blank account you will see. Okay, so how are you going to put a picture and a uh, cover page on your account? So first, I'm going to my account, the registered account. I'm gonna click my picture here, and then as you can see here, there's a three buttons here, one icon. So account login. Okay, this will log in your account here in our internship um, LMS page, and in your account for backend for WordPress login, this is your uh, button to go to WordPress backend login. Okay, how about the password for this? It's the same. Okay, the user name and password that you use in your account for internship is your WordPress backend login also. um, User account or user name and password you're going to use. Okay, so first I'm going to fix my, for example, I don't have picture here and my cover um, page here. So I will choose my account login, um, log in my username and then my password, and then log in on my account for internship. Okay, so I'm now, how will you know if you're inside the internship account? If you see this system, what you call this,
Settings.
yeah, settings. So it means that you're inside your account in um, internship. Okay, so once you click these settings, you can edit now your profile. Okay, so edit, and then you can change the cover photo and then your um, account photo, and also you can put your about here. It's 180 letters. Mm. My wife just got electrocuted. You're so cute. Wait, so you can please put a about on here. So just clicking this one and then this one will appear. uh, you can put your pitch here. So if you don't have yet, so you may do, please. Okay,
Okay.
on your cover photo, if you don't have cover photo yet, so you have to make one in Canva or in Figma or Photoshop. So as I remember, we have a activity in Figma for your hero page. So you can put it here. So just like Ma'am Lenny Babaw and Miss Jocelyn, they put their um, cover photo here. Okay? And then your winning photo here for your account. Okay, and after that, you can now click the update profile. So once you update that, it will appear now on your account. Okay, so here, as you can see. And then, how do the client know that you're online? It's here.
Oo, nalabahan.
Yeah, they will know that you're online by this green here. Okay, so post, I will teach you that later. So this is automatically every time you do your activity, it will appear here in your account. Okay, do you have questions?
None so far for me, kuya.
Okay.